What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk again about Nano Dimension. Nano Dimension smashed through $7 a share today. It actually ended up going as high as I think 7.18 or something, 7.37. Wow, I was totally off. Okay, so it ended up going to $7.37 per share. So just for the sake of getting this video out as soon as possible, I'm not going to go too in depth into like details on why I think it went up and all of this, all of that. I'm just going to give you guys strictly price action if you're trying to time the market right now. And what would make total sense right now is if we look at this high, once this high breached this high, I would imagine there's a whole bunch of limit orders here, pulled all these people down to $4, which I mean, I guess is coincidental with the timing of the offering. And if you look at these two moves, these are pretty much identical in size. Almost. I mean, this one was bigger. Overall, it was about the same in size. So what I would imagine happening now is we will see, at least more than likely, we might see a retest of around $6.30, $6.33, just to see how the market sentiment is at this price again. And there's a chance we could see it move down here just to get another bounce. But like I said, guys, we have to be careful with FOMO because chances are people are going to start to eye this stock more. And chances are the FOMO is going to be really hard with Nano Dimension in the short term. We could even fly past the $9 mark, like I've said in my other videos. So I would definitely be careful with that. This is where people do get burned. So I advise you that if you are trading it, it's because you actually believe in the company and not because you want to day trade the stock. Remember that relatively speaking to the size of, the whole market, the whole stock market, Nano Dimension is very small and very easy to manipulate in price still. So I think that at any point they're going to try whatever they can to manipulate short-term mindseted traders out of the stock so that way they can accumulate more at better prices. But that's just, my philosophy, my opinion, I guess, in that matter. But I do believe market manipulation happens. Even Jim Cramer says it himself. But yeah, we've already seen a ton of bullish sentiment around Nano Dimension, regardless of the offerings that they've been issuing recently. I don't think that's a bearish sign for the company. This is simply them raising money for doing new things with the company in order to expand their business. And the end result of this eventually will be that they grow. So I think that this is just the beginning if you are still interested in getting Nano Dimension. But besides that, I know a lot of us guys who are in Nano Dimension at like between $2 and $4, we're very happy right now. Do I think you should sell it? Definitely not. If you're expecting this company to blow up how I'm thinking it's going to blow up, hold on to your shares absolutely as long as you possibly can. Because this time next year, I have a really good feeling that we're going to be in double-digit territory in Nano Dimension stock. Don't psych yourself out with some really short-term profits. You'll feel good in the moment, but once you start to see this thing fly even more, there's a really good chance you'll FOMO and hop back in. So I advise you guys, if you are in Nano Dimension, just hold your shares. Just imagine being like an early Tesla adopter. No one really understood the technology, but as soon as people started to get in and understand just how good their tech was, we see where they are right now. Can Nano Dimension get as big as Tesla? That's not at all what I'm saying, but in terms of growth prospects, they have hundreds and hundreds of % to go still. Possibly even thousands, so definitely don't sleep on Nano Dimension, guys. I always say it. But besides that, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy belated Thanksgiving. I couldn't get to uploading around yesterday. I was very busy. And, I'm getting back to you today because that's just, what was available for me. I hope you guys spent quality time with your families. You got to hang out and talk about things that are not related to CV19, obviously. And hopefully it was just a break of the norm over the last 9 months and, that you guys just enjoyed the time with them. Hopefully Nano Dimension was part of your conversation with family because I truly think stocks are the way to build long-term wealth. And especially when you're going to pick really good companies and really understand them to adopt it early in your portfolio. I think investing with that kind of mindset is going to give you the most gains in the future as opposed to day trading a stock and then getting stopped out when the price was going to go up anyways. Like, I really don't like that style of trading, but that's just me. Guys, we just tested above $7 already, so we very likely will see this again in the not too distant future. Now, besides the 5 million shares purchased by CVI Investment Group, nothing really has changed materially in the company. I just think more investors are starting to keep an eye out for Nano Dimension, so more people are going to start buying it. If you are a day trader, stay safe out there. Don't FOMO. And I did want to bring up real quick Kathy's ARK. ARK Invest did end up buying 20,000 more shares in Nano Dimension. So they're up to 3.36 million shares in Nano Dimension. But besides all that, guys, definitely have a long-term vision on Nano Dimension. Don't just look at it like any of those other penny stocks that you might be looking at right now. You can't name one company right now that does anything like what Nano Dimension is doing or the problem they're trying to solve. So do your research. or you could watch videos about Nano Dimension on my channel and just learn as much as you can so you have the most confidence when you are investing in companies like these. I will also mention that I am invested in Jumia, and that thing has been flying too. I have a cost basis of around $19, and right now we're sitting at close to $40 a share, and Tesla's right around 600 bucks, so that is also pretty insane. I just wanted to let you guys know what you could expect right now. Maybe we'll even get another direct offering here in the short term, just because the price is so high again. If that does happen, there's a chance the price will fall again. This will be yet another buying opportunity for Nano Dimension. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked what you're watching, please go ahead and hit that like button, and you should even consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.